Alright, so good evening po sa lahat and I would like to congratulate all of you guys na nandito sa webinar. So my mentor once taught me that in every slight opportunity daw, the number one key to success is show up. So all of you guys na nandito, you are now one step forward towards financial freedom. So first things first is a disclaimer. Uh, Past profits do not guarantee future results. So if we show you results later na may mga tao dito na profit ng 100 USD, 50 USD, even 500 USD per day, so we cannot guarantee you that you will get the same results as them. Depends on your capital and risk. Okay, those two factors we cannot control. So basically, the higher your capital, the higher money you make, and the higher the risk you take. Okay? So, second disclaimer, so we are not an investment platform. So, hindi po kami yung tipo na bibigyan niyo lang po kami ng pera and then kami na po yung bahala mag-trade. So, all we provide is tools and education for you to start your trading journey. Okay? So, ulitin ko po, yung pinoprovide lang namin is tools and education so that you will do your trading on your own. Okay? So, with that being said, let's begin. So, sabi daw dito guys, 95% of the world are self-employed and there's nothing wrong about it. Okay, so you know what? My mentor once asked me this question na sabi niya, bro, ano ba yung lifestyle na gusto mo paglaki mo? Gusto mo ba yung lifestyle na hindi ka gigising ng umaga para magtrabaho, you can buy your mga sasakyan na gusto mo, you can travel, mapapaaral mo yung mga kapatid mo, wala kang boss, you can control how much money you make. Sabi ko, yes coach, yun po yung gusto kong mangyari. Okay, so if yun yung gusto mo, you can't be here in the 95%. Okay? So 95%, ito po sila yung mga active income. So meaning, if you have no work, you have no pay. Alright? So the moment you stop working, you stop making money. I mean, you are setting your whole career for work for the rest of your life. Okay, tatanda po tayo na nagtatrabaho. Alright, so 5% po, ito po sila yung mga business owners, mga investors, they have system. Okay, so they learn to work with others, not work from others. Okay, so our conversation for tonight is how we move the 95% into the 5%. Okay, with that being said, allow me to introduce you guys our company. Excuse me. So our company guys is PU Prime. So for me as a business owner and an entrepreneur, I would like to check the legalities kung yung pa-partner ko ba ng mga companies is fully legal, fully compliant, and they are here for a long term. Okay? So the PU Prime licenses have FSA, SciSec, FSCA, SVGF, FSA, and if you are not familiar with this FSA, guys, so these are uh, the companies that are responsible for regulating banks, yung mga malalaking investors. So they are responsible for anti-crimes na mga cyber crimes na pang-scam ng mga guys, na mga company. So, they need to undergo 1-year code review. If you pass this FSA,
So meaning that your company is very legit. Okay, so I am proud to say that our company PO Prime is a part of the FSA. All right. So the next thing for me to check, so meron na tayong legalities. So kung gusto ka talaga mag-partner dito sa PO Prime, I have to check their services. So if their services ba is very good for the community, so kung effective ba talaga yung mga binibigay nila na mga serbisyo. Okay, so the PO Prime has number one, trading education, live trading with professionals, free technical analysis and signal by professionals, recorded lessons and charting sessions by professionals, fast customer service, and AI master trader soon to launch. Okay? So now, what is trading? So since all of you here are here for trading, so ano nga ba yung trading, guys? Okay? So trading is the act of buying, selling stocks, bonds, or currency for profit. Okay? So to cut the long story short, how do we make money on trading? So in short, guys, if you buy and sell at the right time, you could make money. Alright? So but the catch is, if mali naman kayo ng pag-buy or pag-sell, you could lose money. Okay, so we have different markets like Forex market, we have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, and we have digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and etc. So we have stocks like indices, group of stocks, and etc. So coach, pwede ko ba itong i-trade lahat? So 100% sure, why not po? Pwede niyo po itong i-trade lahat. Okay, so why should we learn trading at the first place pala? So bakit nga ba tayo magte-trade? So I will give examples right here, guys. Itong example na to is very doable, not too big, not too small. So kahit beginners na mga trader, kaya itong gawin, okay? Example is if you just made uh, extra 100 USD per day. So example lang sa isang week, nag-trade lang kayo ng 3 beses. So you made 300 USD in 1 week. Okay, so times natin yan in 1 month. So you will have a 1,200 USD in a month. Okay, so let's say for example, times natin yan in 1 year. So you will have a 15,600 USD in 1 year, guys. Okay, so that is 893,146 in pesos. Okay, so imagine lang guys kung ano yung magiging impact nito sa life natin. Kahit ano lang, 500,000 lang in 1 year. So that is the power of trading. Okay, so a lot of us here in our community are doing trading already. So example nito si Sir Kenji, okay? So meron siyang 906 486 JPY na profit. So sabi dito, wow. Sabi niya pinag-combine ko po analysis ni coach and analysis ko. So Sir Kenji is 1 year trader na po siya. So part na po siya ng ano namin na malakas talaga mag-trade si Sir. Okay? So next is dito guys. So hala galing ng 99 USD. Sabi dito ni Aldos first profit ko sir. So si Sir Aldos sumali siya last week and then pagka next week nag-trade siya. So meron siyang profit agad na 99 USD in just 15 minutes guys. Okay? So, so ito po next si Ma'am Asiel. Okay, so Ma'am Asiel is meron siyang uh, tatlong lapad. Okay, tatlong lapad na profit. Sabi dito ni Ma'am Kat, bayad na isang araw ko kapagod mag Yemas. Okay, so lahat dito guys ng mga students namin are all beginners. Okay, so wala pa silang knowledge about trading. Pagpasok nila dito sa trading world, tinuruan namin sila ng proper education and they are now profiting on the trading. So sabi dito, grabe coach. 70 USD na last week tapos ngayon 356 na sa signals nyo po. Okay, imagine guys sa 70 USD lang yung starting capital niya naging 356 USD. Malaking tulong kayo ba lalo ngayon na stop ako ng work. Okay, so si Ma'am Lojel is um, housewife and nag-side hustle lang siya dito sa trading. So a lot of my students are um, trading na guys and they are now making profits. Okay, so kung kaya nila guys, kaya nyo din. Okay? Next is, if ganun kaganda yung trading, why is not everybody not doing it? Okay, why is everybody not trading? Okay, number one is risky, right? So, napaka-risky ng trading. If you don't have the proper skill set of, or if you don't have a proper education in trading, you could lose money, right? So, next thing, um, this is the most important thing, no proper education from professionals, no proper guidance from professionals, okay? Bakit ko ba sinasabi na professionals, guys? Kasi guys, merong mga tao na nag-start ng trading na nagpaturo lang sila doon sa mga kakilala nila na 2 months pa lang nag-trade, sa mga tito nila na ano pa lang, 5 months pa lang nag-trade, and then they lose money. And then suddenly, they say that trading is scam. Okay, so basically guys, nagpaturo kayo doon sa mga hindi professionals, it's bound to happen. Okay, so dapat sa mga professionals tayo nagpapaturo ng trading. Okay? So when we talk about professionals, so this is where our company takes place, okay? The PU Prime, okay? So our company has now services in terms of trading education. So dito ba coach, ano po bang ibig sabihin nyo sa trading education? So bibigyan ko kayo ng example guys. So we have here a um, site. Pinost ko to sa ano, pinost ko to dun sa channel. And we have certain videos on how to start your trading journey. So marami pa to guys, from beginner's course, intermediate course, hanggang sa advanced courses, right? And then live trading with professionals. Okay, so every night guys, meron kaming kinakonduct na live trading dito sa aming group. And then makikita nyo po doon yung mga terms and mga technical analysis kung the way how we approach the market. Okay, so recorded lessons and charting sessions by professionals. So may mga recorded videos kami so that kung hindi nyo medyo naintindihan yung mga itinuro namin is pwede nyo po siyang balik-balikan i-play kasi po naka-recorded siya. Isasend ko po ito lahat dito sa mga students, okay? And the free technical analysis and signals by professionals. So ito po yung pinaka ganda ng aming company is that kahit hindi nyo pa alam kung paano mag-trade guys, so you can copy the trades of the professionals. Alright, so kung habang nagsa-study kayo ng trading, so magbibigay kami ng mga signals so that pwede nyo pong sabayan and you can earn profits. Okay, so example, sasabihin dito na magbabay tayo sa gold or magbabay tayo sa Bitcoin. So, pwede nyo po yung sabayan. And then, you can earn profits while you are studying trading. Okay? So, ito po yung ginagawa ng iba guys. Kahit hindi pa sila marunong mag-trade, kinokopyahan lang nila yung mga technical analysis namin. So, luckily, nag-ano naman, nagpa-profit naman sila. Kung nakikita yun yung mga ano guys, yung mga sinend ko na mga students na nag-income na dito sa ating community. And then, lastly is the customer service and AI master traders. So, ito guys, soon to launch na to sa guys. And meron ng uh, AI na pwede nang mag-trade sa mga pera nyo na ano na ika-copy nyo lang. Okay? So, ang tanong guys, magkano nga ba ang pagsali dito sa ating company na PU Prime? Okay. The answer is libre po siya. Okay. Yan po yung maganda sa company natin. This is free for all. Na gusto talagang mag-aral ng trading. It's because guys, gusto din namin na tulungan kayo in your financial problems. So, you only need cellphone and Wi-Fi. Yun lang yung pinaka-requirement dito guys para mag-start ng trading. And also, a starting capital. So, paano kayo magte-trade kung wala kayong sarili nyong capital? Alright? Yun po yung minimum requirement lang to start a trading. So, kami na po yung bahala sa education. Kami na po yung bahala kung paano kayo i-guide from beginners to advanced. So, kami na po yung bahala kung paano nga ba mag-buy and sell sa market. So, lahat po yun guys, ituturo po yun sa inyo. And ito po yung maganda guys. It's because this is a promotional webinar. Okay? So sabi ng boss ko, if you have a starting capital of 500 USD. Okay, kung kaya nyo mag-start ng capital na 500 USD, you will get free 500 USD. Okay? So magiging doble po yung magiging capital nyo. Okay? Total of 1,000 USD starting capital. This is limited only promotional from our broker. So kung mag-ano kayo ng starting capital, kung gusto niyo malaki yung starting capital niyo agad, so bibigyan po kayo ng extra na 500 USD for you to start your trading. Okay po ba? Napakaganda po talaga ng promotion ng ating broker this month. Okay? So, dito guys, if you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary, sabi nga nila. Sabi ni Jim Rohn, okay? Kung wala kayong gagawin na ano na risk dun sa mga bagay na nakasanayan nyo na sa mga comfort zone nyo. So, hanggang dun lang talaga yung ating kayang gawin, okay? You can't get anywhere in life without taking risk. Okay, so for me, I take the risk. So I was a trader. 4 years na po ako nagte-trade and sa pag-take ko ng risk, guys, marami na din akong mga capital na nasunog dahil sa trading. But ngayon meron na akong system na nagiging profitable na ako. And then I was appointed as the regional partner here in Japan of our company. So lahat ng mga problems or lahat ng mga gusto nyong itanong about our company, direct lang pa kayo sa amin. And then I will be the one to answer your questions. Okay? So I was hoping na lahat yung mga nandito is papasok sa trading world. It's because guys, this is a very limited opportunity only for those who are risk takers. Okay? So sana magano kayo, sana i-try nyo guys. Kasi nga libre lahat guys, wala kayong babayaran. All you need to do is provide a cellphone, a Wi-Fi and your starting capital. Okay, that is all for our webinar. So PM nyo na lang yung yung mga nag-ano sa inyo, mga nag-invite sa inyo and then tanong nyo lang sila kung ano yung mga first step na gagawin. Okay, so I will end this call. I hope everybody is willing to uh, be successful in life someday. So I will see you in our community. So God bless, guys. Thank you very much.